Hello everyone. So as you can see from here that in this video we are going to discuss about some solution related to Bayes' theorem. So actually we are following R.S. Agarwal book class 12. Okay, R.S. Agarwal class 12 book EX number 30, exercise number 30. So question number 18. What is the solution of question number 18? Now here E1 we are taking, let E1, E2, E3, okay, three events are told here, understood? So E1, E2, E3 be the events we are taking, E1, E2, E3 be the events drawing a bulb produced by machine A, B and C. We are taking that, okay, respectively. And also we take, let D be the event of drawing a defective bulb. Understood? Obviously we can write that the P of E1 here, P of E1 equals to 60 by 100 as in the question it is given, okay, that P of E1 equal to 60 by 100. P of E2 that's equals to 30 by 100, 30% means 30 by 100, and P of E3 that's equals to 10% means 10 by 100. Understood? Now P of D by E1 for defective, understood? That is, this defective bulb comes from the machine A, understood? Defective bulb comes from the machine A, and that is given 1%, that means 1 by 100, okay. P of D by E2 that is given 2%, that is 2 by 100, okay, and P of D by E3 that is 3%, that is 3 by 100. Understood? Now since E1, E2 and E3 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, events, then by Bayes' theorem, okay, by Bayes' theorem what we get, actually Bayes' theorem, this spelling is given in some book, okay, So I am writing that this is not this is also not wrong. BAYES, some in some book it is given BAYE apostrophe S, BAYE apostrophe S, Bayes theorem. By Bayes theorem we are getting the P of E1 by D. That's we have to need. Probability the bulb produced by machine A. So P of E1 by D, the defective bulb, that's equals to obviously P of E1 into P of D by E1 by P of E1 into P of D by E1 plus P of E2 into P of D by E2 plus P of E3 into P of D by E3. Okay, now putting the value over here, we get all the values. P of E1 into P of D by E1, that is 60 by 100 into P of D by E1. P of D by E1 means 1 by 100. Understood? Next, P of E1 into P of D by E1, that means 60 by 100 into 1 by 100 plus P of E2. P of E2 means 30 by 100 into P of D by E2 means into 2 by 100 plus 10 by 100 P of E3, 10 by 100 into 3 by 100. Okay, hope you are able to see. So next is our calculation. So if we calculate here, we are getting that this can be equals to 60 by 60 plus 60 plus 30. Okay, if we calculate it here, that is 60 by 150. Understood? That is 2 by 5. So P of E1 by D, that's equals to how much? 2 by 5. So that will be the correct answer. Understood? Hope you are able to understand it. Next come to one more solution related to Bayes theorem, question number 17. So hope you are able to see the question. So here we are taking that let E1 and E2 be the events that ensued the vehicle is a scooter and a motorbike or a motorcycle, whatever you say, respectively. Understood? And let E be the event that the insured vehicle meets an accident. meets an accident. So obviously P of E1 equals to how much? 2000 by 2000 plus 3000. Understood? Why it is so? Understood? Because there are ensued 2000 scooter and 3000 motorcycle. So we will do that. Next, P of E2. Next, P of E2. So P of E2 will be 3000 by 5000. We are writing that this is 2000 by 5000. Understood? So this is P of E1. Now P of E by E1, that's equals to given 0.01, and P of E by E2, that's equals to given 0.02. Okay, so P of E2 by E, P of E2 by E, that's equals to P of E2 into P of E by E2 by P of E1. By Bayes theorem we are getting P of E1 into P of E by E1 plus P of E2 into P of E by E2. Okay, now P of E2, P of E2 is equal to, this is 2 by 5, and this is 3 by 5. Now P of E2 is equal to how much? P of E2 is equal to P of E2 is equal to 3 by 5 into P of E by E2 is equal to E by E2, that is 0.02. Okay, P of E1, that's equal to 2 by 5. P of E by E1 is equal to 0.01. Okay, plus P of E2, P of E2 is equal to 3 by 5 into P of E by E2, that is equal to 0.02. Next move to the calculation. So here if we do the calculation, we are getting that this is equal to 3.3 into 0.02 by 2 into 0.01 plus 3 into 0.02. So that's equals to 0.06 divided by, this is 0.02 plus 0.06, that means 0.06 by 0.08, that means 6 by 8, that means 3 by 4. So that will be the answer. Next move to question number 16. Now question number 16, hope is coming to your screen. So here we are taking that let E1 and E2 be the events that the car is manufactured by plant X and Y respectively, and also let E be the event that the car is of standard quality. then what? Obviously P of E1 is equal to 70 by 100. That means 7 by 100. And probability of E2 should be 30 by 100. That is 3 by 10. Now probability of E by E1, that's equals to 80 by 100. That's equal to 4 by 5. And probability of E by E2, that's equals to 90 by 100. That means 9 by 10. Okay. So now we have to find probability of E1 by E. Probability of E1 by E. That means the probability that come from plant X. Understood? So probability of E1 by E. So that's equals to, by Bayes theorem, we are getting that, we can write it that probability of E1 into probability of E by E1, understood, divided by probability of E1 into probability of E by E1 into plus probability of E2 into probability of E by E2.